Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to use Facebook collections. If you're using Facebook and you want to use the Facebook feature which is Facebook collections, let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your Facebook app, and here not use collection, you just need to try to save a new post. So let's say I'm gonna select anyone from here. Let's say I'm gonna select this one. Just tap on the three dots over the post section, and here you'll get the option of save post. You just have to select save post option. Now from here you can select the direct saved option here, or you can also select create a new collection. So I haven't any collection yet, so I'm gonna create a new one. Just tap on this create a new collection option, and here just enter the collection name. Let's say I'm gonna enter this one here. Once I've entered, you'll also see some options. Set the collection to public. So if you want to see that all of your profile can see your collections, you can enable this one, but I'm gonna disable this. And here's the add contributors. So build a collection with friends, but I'm not enabling this also. Just tap on the done option and your collection will be created. So you can see that my post has been saved. Now I'm going to find that. You just have to tap on the menu option in the bottom right, and here you'll get the option of saved. You just tap on the saved option, and here you can see all of your collections. It's my collections cards collection here, so you can select and see all the saved content or saved posts in your collection. So in this way you can easily use your Facebook collections. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.